Now the next is entering into Ihram. So when it comes to entering into Ihram, the fard of Ihram are Niyyat and Talbiyah. So just remember, the Niyyat of Ihram are two. Number one is making the intention that you're performing Umrah, you're performing Hajj, even if you say, I'm performing Tamattu, or I'm performing Qiran, or I'm performing Ifrad, that is sufficient. And Talbiyah. Talbiyah once. Once you say Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik once, that's you in the state of Ihram. Remember that Ihram is not just the name of the two cloths, but it's the intention and the Talbiyah that you make. Right? Sometimes I found instances that where somebody's in Ihram, but he's got a hat on. And people are saying, oh, why you got a hat on and this, that? So you say, look, I've not made my intention yet. Yes, I've not made my intention. One thing you can do though, this is a tip for advice for me. You put your Ihram cloth on in the airport, but you don't have to make the intention straight away. You can make the intention on the airplane. Okay, you can keep your hat on, you can do whatever you want. So the laws of Ihram do not apply just by putting the cloth on, right? You can sit in there, so just in case, for example, if you want to clean yourself or whatever, you can do all of that. And then just towards closer to the time before you reach the boundary, if you know that is, then you can make the intention. You can even pray the 2 rakats sitting on the plane, because they're nafil, aren't they? So just as nafil you can pray sitting down, you can even pray those 2 rakat nafil while sitting down too on the seat. Okay. Now when it comes to praying salah on the seating, I will discuss that shortly. Now, wajibs are to put the ihram on from the Meeqaat and abstain from the prohibited acts of ihram. Okay. So this is the wajib. The wajib is you have to. The sunnah is to put the ihram on before the boundary, but otherwise, putting it on the boundary itself, the Meeqaat, okay, it is wajib. And I do believe there's a following slide that mentions the boundaries, okay? So abstain from the prohibited acts of ihram, because once you know you're a muhrim, then once you are a muhrim, then now you are, you have to abstain from the acts of ihram.